Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what you need to know before you get the Joymoop. So first things first, the Joymoop comes with 3 microfiber cloths. So one that you see here, and then 2 that are wrapped up. Now the second thing is that, in my opinion, the hardest thing about the Joymoop is actually reapplying the microfiber cloth onto the mop itself. So what I mean by that is after you take this off, and even taking it off is a bit of a struggle. So after you take this off, let's see. It's this logo. You have the actual Velcro strap portion that you see right over here, but then you need to make sure that these holes that you see here actually align on the slot pad that you see there. So do make sure that it's properly secured because that's going to make it so that it doesn't come off when you're sliding into the Joymoop itself. Now, the next thing you need to know about the Joymoop is that there is a wash chamber and a dry chamber. So the wash chamber is basically where you're going to just simply wash them up. And then the dry chamber says it what it says it is basically when you're going to dry the mop. And so with that, this is going to actually clean your mop like what you see right over here. So you can see that it doesn't all the way go up to the top. That's because there's not enough water. But because there's a decent amount of water, the mop actually looks visibly clean. So you can see it as night and day difference based on the water level that you see right over there. So this is a really neat way of actually using this mop in which it's actually cleaning the mop, removing all the dirt and debris, and then you dry it through this way so that you could actually go ahead and start mopping. And if I had more water up to the top here, it would probably clean the whole mop itself. But that's pretty much it though, guys. As far as this mop goes, I'm very, very happy with it. Those are the things that you should know. Thanks so much.